every time that someone visits your profile, reacts to a post, or follows your company page, they are showing interest. So Teamfluence captures all of those signals across your entire team and brings them into one place, the lead monitoring. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what to expect when you see the lead monitoring, also how to move around in the lead monitoring, how to filter by what's relevant to you or not, and how to move your qualified leads into a different, more qualified prospect. This is your lead monitoring. All signals are flowing here into this view. By default, the view that you are seeing is by your latest interactions, okay? So you'll see here what was the first touch. So basically, was the first source when they came to your profile. And you'll see here most important information about that signal. So first, the contact, okay, what do they do? How many followers do they have? Then their company, so for what company do they work for. Then you have a section here for tags. You can add tags to the lead if you want to while you are in this view. Then, very importantly, you have an engagement score and an interaction and the number of interactions. The engagement score is calculated based on the number of interactions that you had with that lead. Okay, so different interactions depending on the signal have different weights, and that is possible for you to define on your settings. And if you click in the lead, you'll have more information about the lead, and then here you'll also have a little bit more of the lead history. So here we can see in this example that Mark first visited my colleague Matthias' profile and more recently connected with me. Okay. Then, how do you understand from LinkedIn what is an actual relevant signal and what it is noise? So there's some ways to see here your lead monitoring. So you can either sort these by different types. Okay, so instead of having the latest interaction first, maybe you want to see the newest leads, so the ones that it's the first time or some of the first times that they are interacting with you. So here our newest lead is Julia. Okay, so we'll see here that 2 days ago for the first time she followed Matthias and also visit his profile page. Maybe you also want to see the ones that have a higher number of interactions, for example. So number of interactions higher first, okay, and here we can see 45 interactions, 40 interactions, and so on. Okay, there's a filter option here. This filter will also allow you to understand a little bit better all these leads. So here, for example, you can understand where they are coming from. Are these signals coming from company page or from one of your team members? Who are they connected to inside of the team? Are they coming from one of your networking campaigns? Is that the source of this lead? What type of signal brought them to your lead monitoring? And we can see here all the signals that we have available. Are they a profile viewer, profile follower? New connections, post reactions, comments, interactions with your company page, etc. And then you can filter this by tags as well if you are tagging leads to segment them in any way. You can filter by the last activity, date, time, by company size, if these leads are in reach with email or not. And then more importantly, which you will learn on the next how-tos, is you can filter your leads by your ICP match leads, or and as well for your account-based leads. So if we set up here, I want to see my ICP leads and I click on apply. I'll see here my ICP matches and by the number of interactions. So Taylor clearly is interacting or was interacting a lot with us before, and so on. So what's happening here? Why are we seeing so little ICP matches inside of our lead monitoring? So currently we are moving our leads that are qualified into a separate view, which are the prospects, and you can do that here immediately. So you can move one lead from lead to prospect, and this basically means that you'll have a separate view similar to this one, but the one where you're going to have all your qualified signals. Okay. Other things that it's important for you to understand here regarding this view that you are having, you can select your contacts, you can change the status in bulk or just select the ones that are relevant, add text to them as well in bulk, and export to a CSV file as well. Okay. So this is the lead monitoring, every signal in one place. Qualification options are available. You can filter for what it matters, either it is if they are an ICP, if they are part of your ABM lists, if they are working for a company in a specific company size. So next we will show you how to set up the AI agent, which is a big part here in the qualifications. So you can either qualify them once they are tagged as an ICP, or you have any other automations running every time that we found a new ICP in your lead monitoring.